Just had to revisit this Kickstart again. It was locking up. Before it was just occasionally it was doing it, but it's started to do it all the while now, and kind of worked out what it is. If you have a look at this, I have taken some photos a bit closer up, probably show better than on this little camera. But that first tooth there, I thought it was meant to be, because it almost looks like it's machined like that, but I don't think it's meant to be like that. That's actually lost half the tooth in thickness, in width, and profile. There's also a little bit of wear on the second one as well. So what's happening, that's in there, and you go to kick it over, it's putting that in just the position that those, well, not that first tooth, but it's sort of like a first step piece on there, and this first tooth is locking in with the pinion, so it's actually not enabling that to turn round. It's completely locked. There, and jamming up, so you can't kick it over, which probably explains why you see a lot of these with the first two pieces here ground. People grind them flat and then just use the tooth from there to start as your throw for your kick. But I have actually managed to find one of these. I'm going to change that. Probably could have just ground that down as other people do, but yeah, did manage to find one. Not too expensive, so yep, that'll need changing over. And yeah, so I'll now have to redo all this. I had to drain all the oil out of the gearbox again and all that. But yeah, it's no good as it was. It just wasn't going to be. Wasn't going to work properly, so yeah, I've got to clean all that up and wait for the new part to turn up, press it on there, and get all this back together. Got a replacement quadrant to go on there. Weird thing is, there's no casting marks. Unlike this one, it's got the number cast in. It does look to be the same part. There is a little bit of wear on that first tooth, but nothing as bad as that one. So yeah, I'll just press that one off, and then put that one on. I have just marked up on the shaft where just so I can line it up where these are. Just put some pen mark on there. I've also taken a couple of photos just to make sure I get it back in the right place. But yeah, let's get that in the press and get that one out. So that's the old one. Just need to make sure I get the new one on the right way round. place. Actually, I'll just give this a little bit of a clean up with it. Right, so we've got the start there. We mark there for that one, mark there for that one. So yeah, hopefully that's the right way around. Get this in position. There we are, ready to go back on. That's better. All that's left to do now is just tidy up the red hematite once that's gone off, and that'll be that Kickstarter sorted out. Oh, and I've got to top up the oil as well. Must forget to do that. Put the oil back in the gearbox. But I'll wait till this is fully cured. I can clean it down then. Yeah, so that is that sorted.